In this lesson and the next, we are going to learn two more activities you need to do which are going to help you with the battle against anger. They will not only help you with anger, but also they will help you to be a more peaceful and a happier person. Both these exercises we are going to learn in this lesson and in the next are stress busters. And if you practice them properly, you will see great results soon. So, how do we do it? Similarly, how you do your metta meditation and impermanence meditation already, you go to a silent place and you need to relax your body and mind. And you keep your back and neck straight at all times. And you should never lean onto a chair or wall. This is very important. If you cannot sit on the ground with your legs crossed, you can sit on a chair, no problems. Or if you're sitting on the ground, or you can sit on a cushion, which makes your posture easier and more comfortable. And you should keep your eyes closed, and all you need to do is try to keep your mind empty. Try your best not to think about anything for 20 to 30 minutes at least. However, when you are trying your best to keep your mind empty, you will still see thoughts arising in you and fading as well. The main thing is, whatever thoughts you are going to get during this time, you are not going to entertain them. And if you start mind wandering, that means if your mind starts running all over the place, you need to remind yourself of the objective. And the objective is to keep the mind empty, think nothing. And that is all you need to do. Another important thing to remember is trying not to move the whole time you are in this position, because moving can affect your concentration badly. So you need to take your utmost effort to keep in the same posture for 20 to 30 minutes, and it can be a bit difficult to keep the mind empty with millions of thoughts coming in all the time. But with practice, you can increase the time between thoughts and you can keep your mind empty for longer periods. Always remember the driving example. It was so difficult at first, but now it is just second nature because you kept at it and you didn't give up. With our busy lives, we are slaves to our thoughts and worries and expectations and so on. With this exercise, it will not only help you to redirect your thoughts easily to impermanence when you experience an anger trigger, it will also help you to maintain your mind like when you were a child, even with everything going around you. It will help you greatly to be content with what you got. Remember when we were children? We didn't have any worries whatsoever, whatever happening around us. We could play with anything we could find and we were really happy, whatever happened. Why aren't we that now? So this exercise is going to help you to live worry-free like a child. But you need to keep practicing. And practice makes perfect. And also, this is going to be an activity in your checklist. So from today onwards, you need to tick it on your checklist. And you need to do it on a daily basis. And with that said, I'll see you in the next lesson.